Hey guys, in this video we will be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7. This was released in 2021 in October, so it's about 6 months old. I'm used to wearing the Garmin watches like the Fenix 7 and Epix and the Garmin Venu 2 Plus, so this is quite different to that. This Apple Watch Series 7 comes in two sizes. This is the 41mm version. There's also a 45mm version. The price of this is around $400 currently, so it's very similar to the Venu 2 Plus price, and from a functionality point of view I think this Venu 2 Plus is kind of the closest match from the Garmin lineup. I got this one for significantly less since it was an Amazon warehouse deal. Okay, let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so here we have some quick start guides in different languages. Then we have a charging cable. So this is a USB-C charging cable. It doesn't come with a power brick, but you can plug this in the USB-C port. So this is the kind of charging stand you put the device on. I assume this will be the device itself. Okay, so here we can see the heart rate sensor and the blood oxygen saturation sensor on the bottom. It's really shiny. It's the Apple Watch Series 7 41mm aluminum and ceramic case. Water rated for 50 meters, so this is swim proof, and that water rating 50 meters, yeah, it's good for swimming. Don't go diving with it. Yeah, and this is the GPS version. It doesn't have the cellular connectivity. Okay, this looks like the strap or band is in here. Sport band, graphite stainless steel pin, midnight sport band, so that's the color. So this is where the band is. I must say the packaging is quite a lot more complex than on the Garmin devices. Garmin devices come with the band pre-installed. So it seems we have the band in here, and yeah, we have medium large, and then we have small medium, so there are two sizes of bands. I think that's kind of a nice feature, because for smaller wrists the smaller band would come in handy, so that you don't have the band flapping around too much. It has some instructions on how to attach the band. To attach the band, slide it in until you hear a click. So it seems we should just have the device this way, so the crown is on the left side, and it looks like the band is this way, and we push it in, and now it clicks in place. Adjust band to fit close to your wrist. Yeah, okay, I guess to push in the other side as well, and that clicks in. Then to remove the band, press button and slide out. So there is a small button in here which we can press, and the band comes out actually both ways and slides in also both ways. So yeah, that seems quite handy. Let's see if I'm able to put the watch on. Yeah, I think that's it, because you do slide it underneath. That's not quite intuitive, but it seems that's the way you're supposed to wear it. Okay, let's have a look at the quick start instructions. This is really my first time trying to set up the Apple Watch, so I do think I need the instructions. It also says here on the back that you need an iPhone 6s or newer, I think. Yeah, iOS 15 or newer. Turn on the device. It says press and hold the side button. That's rather disappointing, nothing happens. So it might be the battery is empty. The battery is empty. I can charge it with this charger. So this is the bottom side and this is the side where you pin the device. So like this. Obviously battery was just empty. Since this is a warehouse deal, I kind of get that, but for a new device it should be at storage battery levels and it should turn on. Kind of disappointing that Amazon makes sure that the warehouse deals get charged before storage. I'm checking the Apple Watch specs. It seems to say that 45 minutes is sufficient for 80% and 75 minutes is needed to get 100% charge. Let's compare the appearance and case sizes of this Venu 2 Plus to this Apple Watch Series 7. This is the 41mm version. So this case size is 41mm in this direction and the width is only 35mm. The Venu 2 Plus is 33mm. So it appears quite a bit larger because this is so narrow. The 45mm case is 45mm in this direction and 38 in this direction, so that would be more comparable in size. Both of these devices are very light. This is like 51 grams and this 41mm Series 7 is only 32 grams, this aluminum version, and the 45mm version is 38 grams, or the stainless steel version would be 51 grams. So both devices are very light. The thickness of this one is 10.7 millimeters and the Venu 2 is 12.6 millimeters. So this is slightly thicker. Both of the devices have crisp displays. The Series 7 has an always-on Retina OLED display and the Venu 2 Plus has an AMOLED display. I think the big difference comes then down to battery life. So on the Venu 2 Plus you get up to 9 days in smartwatch mode, and on the Apple Watch you get 18 hours. So you need to charge this daily, and comparing it to this Venu 2 Plus, which you can use for over a week, that's kind of a different world and different mentality there. Well, of course the Apple Watch does have more functionality, so if you're an Apple user you might prefer that extended functionality, but if you're more into sports and that longer battery life might be very beneficial for you, then most likely the Venu 2 Plus is a more interesting device. Okay, I was charging the Apple Watch for a while and now I pressed on the button here on the side for some time and the device turned finally on. According to the instructions, I should just follow the on-screen instructions to pair it with my phone. So it says bring iPhone near Apple Watch. So here we have the iPhone. It seems it already discovered that the Apple Watch is nearby, and we can press on continue. Watch would like to send you notifications. Okay, I will allow that. Then I can do setup for myself. Position Apple Watch in frame. I'll skip the update and continue. Now it's saying the Apple Watch is paired. Let's press on setup Apple Watch. Wrist preference left. Terms and conditions. Okay, I'm hitting agree. Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Workout route tracking. Apple Watch workouts uses your location to track routes and local weather for outdoor workouts. Enable route tracking. Yes. Siri helps you get things done just by asking. Send a message, send money, find a restaurant, even request a ride using your favorite apps. Use Siri. Select a Siri voice. Voice one.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use. You can change it later in...
Watch analytics. Share with Apple. Okay, I'm fine with that. Shared settings. Apple Watch share settings with iPhone for location services. Find my phone. Siri and analytics and improvement. Faces and apps may use your location when location services is on. Okay. Long passcode. A long passcode must be more than 4 digits. Once this passcode is set, the Apple Watch automatically locks when you take it off and requires the passcode to unlock. Create a long passcode. Okay, I'll just do something simple to start with and change it later. This code can be easily guessed. Do you still want to use it? Yes, use code. Re-enter. The activity app helps you sit less, move more and get some exercise. Once you set your goals, it can send notifications to help you meet them. I'll skip this step for now. Blood oxygen. I'll enable that. Keep your Apple Watch up to date. Feature security and improvements by updating watchOS automatically. I'll opt into that. Apple Pay. I'll set that up later. Heart rate notifications, high heart rate notifications. Now, SOS and fall detections. Okay. Press and hold the side button to call emergency services if your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone. This will also send a message to your emergency contacts. On display, see what's on your Apple Watch. Even when your wrist is down, you can choose what's displayed in settings. Continue. Install available apps. Apps on your iPhone work with your Apple Watch. You can install all these apps now or choose the apps you want later in the Apple Watch app. If you install now, some of your iPhone and Apple Watch apps will be updated for compatibility. Okay, I install all. You access your apps by pressing the digital crown, so that's this. You can change the app view at any time in settings. Continue. Just syncing. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. You'll get an alert when it's done, so you can use your iPhone as you normally would. While you're waiting, learn more about your Apple Watch. Get to know your watch. Started. What's new in watchOS? Welcome to Apple Watch. Get to know Apple Watch Series 7, Apple Watch user guide from your watch. I'll hit just on done. Just syncing. Your Apple Watch is almost ready. I guess I can just leave it at that and let's come back to it once it's in sync. Now the syncing is finally complete and it says welcome to Apple Watch. My Watch. Adjust settings, organize apps and customize your watch faces, face gallery, Apple Watch apps. So let's hit OK. So it seems here we can configure stuff. Need to enter the passcode to get in. And it seems like everything is working. Just don't know yet how to use anything. So I'll post some videos later on where I show how to actually start activities and how to use stuff on the Apple Watch once I have learned more. But I hope this unboxing and setup video was helpful for you, and if it was, please give it a thumbs up and also consider subscribing for future content. If you want to compare to the Venu 2 Plus, go watch this video next. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.